Hi everyone, it's Kristen Fidel with Fidel & Company Real Estate in beautiful Tampa, Florida. We're here at this classic 1920s traditional style home in the neighborhood of New Suburb Beautiful. Now we are located mere blocks from South Howard Avenue with the restaurants and shops, everything that you could hope for in a walkable community. Now the single family residence has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, an office, wonderful pool, 2-car garage, and is just waiting for its next owner. Let's go and take a look inside.